What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel. If you're new in the channel, consider hitting the subscribe button. I share videos every Monday and Friday about my investing journey, and if you're into that kind of stuff, then welcome to the channel. So a couple of you guys have asked, what does my portfolio look like? Well, I feel like I should take you back to the beginning when it all started. So I started investing April 20th. That was the day that I decided to get started investing. My very first stock was Wells Fargo, and since then, one of my main goals has been to diversify my portfolio a little, not just stick with one type of stock. Let me hop into my apps real quick and show you what I'm talking about. So now we're in the Robinhood app. As you can see here, Wells Fargo, I own 6.25 shares. Let's go into it. And equity, I have $172.97 invested into it. The average cost is $27.26, and the dividend yield is 7.43. This is my first stock, the very first one that I got invested in. Next, we have Santander Group, another financial company, another bank, and I only own 14 shares, equity $33, and I bought it at an average cost of $1.90. The other stock that I have is Southwestern Energy. That one was a free stock that I got from a referral. One of you guys clicked on the link in the Robinhood app and got it. I got a free stock, you got a free stock, and that's a free one. Equity $2.90, but again, that was a free one. And my portfolio, the total one for Robinhood is $200.29. So my investments with the Robinhood app is $229. Now let me jump into the public app. So as you can see here, my portfolio with the public app is a little bit more diverse than the Robinhood. The reason being is I just got access to Robinhood for fractional shares when I first got started. I didn't have access with Robinhood to be able to do fractional shares. Now the public app, I always had access for fractional shares, so that's the reason why my portfolio is a little bit more diversified. Let me show you why. So as you can see here, my portfolio is at $333 value. The stocks that I'm invested in are as follows. So this is one of the shares that I own. The PowerShare S&P 500 is $34. Currently, I only own one share of it. The reason why this one, the S&P HD, is not in my long term is because, I don't know, I'm a little iffy about that one. I just bought it and I wanted to see how it was gonna be. But long term, we have CVS Health. I own 0.6542% of a share, or actually 0.6542 shares, so not even a full share yet. Only invested $43. And then we have Johnson & Johnson. I only have $20.65. So Johnson & Johnson, I actually got it because you guys downloaded the link, and when you download the public app, it'll ask you which $7 free you want of a slice of a stock, and I always go for Johnson & Johnson. So if you guys keep getting with public, I'll keep getting a free stock, a free slice. You get a free slice, so everybody wins. And hopefully by the end of the year, I'll be able to have a full stock. Next, we have Realty Income Corporation. So with them, I have one share, 1.38 shares, $65. And what else? ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil was one of the second stocks that I invested into the public app. I really like ExxonMobil. So total holdings $77. Shares 1.64217 shares. So like close to two stocks. And then average price paid for it was $44. Last we have AT&T. So total holdings is $91. Shares, I own 3 shares. And average price paid for it was $29.96. And over here you can see this is pretty much my full portfolio. Again, this is the one from my public app. Let me show you guys Robinhood, and this is the one from Robinhood. Alright guys, so that was it. That was my full portfolio. As you can see, nothing crazy. I'm not too invested right now. I've been investing since April 20th, and I've kind of been getting a hang of things. If you've been watching my previous videos, then you know my goal right now is every beginning of the month, I like to invest from 100 to 150 bucks. I like to put that money aside just for investments, and eventually the long-term goal is to raise my investment portfolio up to $1,000. And it did seem kind of crazy in the beginning. Like when I first got started, I was like, oh man, 100 bucks is gonna take forever to get to 500. Obviously I could take the money that I have and just throw it in the stock market, but I didn't feel like that would be a smart idea to do. do because I'm just getting started. Even though it's been like 3 months already, I don't feel like I know exactly what I need to know. I don't feel like I know too much about the market. I'm just kind of getting my toes wet. And now it feels crazy looking back at it that I've been able to invest a little bit over 500 bucks. So to me, it didn't seem at the moment manageable, or I didn't think it was gonna work, or I thought that the stock market was gonna crash, or whatever the news were saying at the moment. I was like, oh man, I feel like I just put my money and the market is gonna crash. This was horrible idea. But I kept investing, I kept putting a little bit of money in every month, and I can say that so far it's been good. As you guys have seen on my previous videos, I have been getting a little bit of money paid out on dividends, which is my long-term investment goal. As of now, I can say that it's been great. I can't complain. My goal will continue to be 100 to 150 every month for at least the remaining of the year. And then next year, I guess I'll feel a little bit more comfortable to invest more money starting on January 2021. And hopefully you guys are here. Hopefully you guys are sticking around. You're hitting that subscribe button, you're hitting that like button, you're hitting the bell notification, so you guys are getting my videos every Monday and Friday. Hopefully by then you guys, these videos will get better and YouTube will suggest them to you guys. All right guys, have a good day. Thank you for watching.